Hi there, my name's April Sawtelle and welcome to my channel. Today all I'm doing is just jumping on to say hi, and I want to just say thank you all so much. I'm almost going to be hitting my 3,000 subscribers. I'm so excited for this. Thank you all so much. Thank you for subscribing. Thank you for watching. Thank you for your comment. I'm just about at my 2-year mark here, and I just absolutely love doing this. So I have a new little segment I'm going to be incorporating into my channel. It's called First This, Then I'll Sew. So what happens is sometimes when I'm trying to make videos, other things come up. There's just always something. I know that this is a problem with everybody. So what I've decided how I have to address this is I'm not putting out as many videos as I would like because something always has to be done, right? So I thought, well, I love doing this so much. Just take the camera with you. So I've decided I'm going to start a new little segment on my channel. It's still under the same name here, but once in a while you're just going to see me come on and I'm just going to be doing everyday stuff. It's going to probably be more like organizing my sewing room. I have so much to get rid of. I just need to go through everything. I need to put my fingertips on every single thing I need to touch everything to just know what I'm going to keep and what I'm not going to keep. That's something I'm going to be working on for 2024. I just don't want to have as much stuff anymore. Nobody's interested in all this stuff. Half the stuff I don't use and half of the stuff is just because somebody's given it to me because of my little rule I think I had told you back a while ago, which was check with me first before you get rid of it. And I have so much stuff. I'm just really ready to just be done with too much. I don't have time for everything, you know? I mean, I think that's all of us, right? We collect all this stuff. Now, I do want to say too, I always get rid of stuff. So I'm constantly stopping at Goodwill, stopping here, donating it. We have that swap shed at our transfer station that you can get rid of stuff, but you can also take stuff. So I just am just very overwhelmed with stuff right now. I watch a lot of YouTube as I'm doing my paperwork because I have other paperwork I have to take care of as well. And I do watch a lot of YouTube. I listen to it in the background. And boy, it just seems like this is a problem for, everybody. We just have too much stuff. So in the future, from now on, you're going to start seeing in my videos, every once in a while, a pop-up will come up and it'll say, first this, then I'll sew. So that's going to be the name of my new little segment on my channel. And then the camera will just be rolling and I'll be gabbing and there'll be no, no plan in it. It's just going to be whatever I'm going through. We all have the same problems. We really do. So I'm just going to take you along for the ride. And of course I'll have my sewing stuff as well, but I think it'll be kind of fun. And I think because I love filming so much and I guess my favorite thing to do is after I do a tutorial, I love getting up in the morning. It's my favorite time. I get up really early. I've always been a real early bird, and I love just starting to edit it. So that process is so much fun for me. But then what happens is life gets in the way. So then I can't put out a full-blown tutorial or I can't be working on a quilt. But I can always find the time to jump on and start playing around with editing because I'm always at my computer too. I'm there a lot. So I thought it'd be fun. So I thought by having this little segment in my channel, you know what? I still get to put the camera on. I still get to edit in the morning. Oh, it's going to be so much fun. So, and then, it'll just, eventually I'll have more time freed up from getting rid of all this stuff. And it won't take me so long to set up the area for my tutorials. And it's just going to feel good, right? I can't even wait. I certainly am not going to be a minimalist by far. I could never be a minimalist just because it's not who I am. I like stuff just too much and everything means so much to me. So anyhow, that's the new thing I'm going to be adding. I also have little Miss Ready Thready. I know she's so cute, that little red thread of mine. But if you want to watch those shorts too, that will help out my channel as well. I just added her in because I always have time to film her. I always have wherever I'm at, she can just jump right out of my pocket and I can start filming. And I love it. And I love making those little shorts. They're very quick, very fun. And I hope you're enjoying them too. So for today, all you're going to be seeing is this little video and stay tuned. Okay, so now for the second announcement. So the first announcement was I'm going to just add that little segment of cleaning and organizing like all my sewing stuff and my sewing supplies. And I have a few areas throughout the house that really need attention. They're all sewing related. So that's going to be that first this, then I'll sew. For my second announcement is I have opened a new channel. It's called Hanging with April. What that is, it's just taking the camera with me for everything in my life, for whatever I'm doing. What it is my entire house needs a going through. I just have to start tackling it. I just didn't want to combine the two. What that channel is going to be about is, I am as transparent as they come in this new channel. That's going to be the reasons why I'm not sewing. I'll be decluttering, I'll be organizing, I'll be cleaning, I'll be on trips, I'll be whatever I'm doing. I'm shopping. I'm on a weight loss journey right now, and I'm going to be documenting that entire process on that channel. I love making videos so much, I decided to just take the camera through that entire process and everything else. What is preventing me from doing my sewing and quilting? Now, of course, I'm going to be putting out more content on my sewing and quilting channel probably than I ever have, because these other little tasks are going to be taken care of. So it really, for me, it's a win-win, and it's like the best of both worlds. So I'm so excited. If you want, you can just jump onto that channel. If you want to know more about me, if you watch the introduction on that, it's kind of long. I'll warn you that. It's kind of good, and it kind of explains everything of where I'm at in my life. So thank you guys for staying for this second part of this video, and I'm going to get back to the regular outro now. Thank you. I hope you want to come hang out over there as well. Thank you so much, every one of you. I'm so happy that you're all here. Stay tuned. I'll be back with more fun videos. Thanks for watching. I hope you all enjoyed this video. If you did, please like and subscribe. I'll see you next time. Remember to keep it simple. Have a nice day. Thanks for watching. Bye.
Say bye, little Miss Ready Thready.